Hello, Excelians. Welcome back. I am Miss Jessie here, and today we will learn about superlative adjectives. Now, on to superlative adjectives. It's helpful to first understand comparative adjectives, so be sure to check out our video on that. Superlative adjectives are used when comparing three or more things, and they describe one thing as being of the highest degree or the most extreme. In fact, the word highest and the phrase most extreme are themselves superlatives. When using the superlative form of a positive adjective, you must change the adjective in one of four ways. Add est to the end of the adjective, add the word most before the adjective, add the word least before the adjective, or change the adjective entirely. The first two changes, adding est to the adjective or using most with the adjective, are both superlatives of superiority. This means that they show that something is better than or superior to other things. Let's see how this works. Joe and Dan were fairly tall, but their brother Andy was the tallest of all. Notice here that three people are being compared: Joe, Dan, and Andy. We would never say Andy was the taller of all. Let's see another example. Dracula and Frankenstein's monster sure are scary, but zombies are definitely the most horrifying monsters. I would definitely agree with that. Have you seen The Walking Dead? Here, we add the word most to the adjective horrifying, because the word horrifyingest simply doesn't exist in English. That sounds pretty silly, right? We can also add the word least before the adjective to show that something is, well, the least of the group. Let's see it in action. Sarah was the least willing of the group to go on the roller coaster. Or, flying in an airplane is the least dangerous form of travel. Now, when dealing with adjectives of inferiority, such as these, we can never add on est to the ending. So remember to always add the word least. Finally, let's remember that there are a few irregular adjectives that change their spelling entirely when moving from the positive degree to the superlative degree, such as good and best, or bad and worst. Now let's take a little quiz to see what you've learned. Venus is the blank planet in our solar system. A, most cold, B, bigger, C, more hot, or D, hottest. Anyone have a guess? Well, if you were to guess D, hottest, you would have been correct. Let's look at another quiz question. At the beginning of A Christmas Carol, Ebenezer Scrooge is the blank of all the characters. A, most generous, B, nicest, C, least kind, or D, generouser. Anyone venture a guess? Oh, I know you got it. You guessed C, didn't you? Well, if you did, you were right. C, least kind. Well, that's it for today, everyone. Until next time, come on back.